If you've been diagnosed with fatty liver, it's not just about what you eat. It's about what's eating you. Stress, silent, invisible, and constant, is one of the biggest obstacles to healing your liver. And if you don't get it under control, no diet or supplement will save you. This is your wake-up call. When you're under stress, your body pumps out cortisol, a hormone that raises blood sugar, stores fat in your liver, and blocks your ability to detox. Think about that. Your liver's main job is to cleanse your body. But when you're stuck in fight or flight, that healing shuts down. Stress also fuels inflammation, the real driver behind fatty liver progression. And it doesn't stop there. Stress destroys sleep, increases cravings, and leads to the emotional eating that got many of us here in the first place. You can eat clean and still struggle if you don't deal with the mental weight you're carrying. Here's the good news. You don't need to become a monk to start healing. Here are simple tools that anyone can use, even if you've never meditated a day in your life. 1. Box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4. Hold again for 4. Just 3 minutes of this can calm your nervous system and lower cortisol fast. 2. Morning sunlight. Step outside for 10 minutes when you wake up. This sets your body clock, improves mood, and boosts liver repair during sleep. 3. Walking, especially in nature. Start with 10 to 20 minutes. It moves your body, clears your mind, and increases blood flow to your liver. 4. Gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. It rewires your brain to focus on peace instead of stress, and that helps your body heal. Digital detox. Set 1 hour a day with no screens. No scrolling, no news. Just time to breathe and reconnect. 6. Herbal teas. Chamomile, lemon balm, tulsi. These soothe your system, support your liver, and help you unwind. You didn't choose fatty liver, but you can choose how you respond to it. You can't fully heal your liver while living in a constant state of stress, but if you take control of your inner world, your body will follow. This is your life, your healing, your responsibility, and it starts right now. Food is medicine.